Welcome! In this 10-minute quick start guide, I'll show you how to use Datadog for application monitoring step by step. We'll quickly walk through setting up your Datadog account, installing the agent, connecting your servers or cloud services, monitoring metrics and logs, creating dashboards, and setting up alerts to detect issues in real time. Whether you're a developer, DevOps engineer, IT administrator, or managing cloud infrastructure, this tutorial will help you understand the core features of Datadog and get your monitoring system up and running fast. Let's dive in. Businesses grow increasingly reliant on complex, distributed systems. The ability to observe, understand, and respond to system behavior in real time becomes not just an advantage, but a necessity. That's where Datadog comes in. Datadog is a powerful cloud-based observability platform that brings together infrastructure monitoring, application performance management, log management, and security monitoring under a single pane of glass. Whether you're managing containerized applications, cloud-native services, or hybrid infrastructure, Datadog offers end-to-end visibility across your entire stack. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of Datadog's core features, explore the benefits it brings to IT and DevOps teams, and explain why it's become the go-to solution for businesses aiming to boost reliability, performance, and agility. So for its key features and benefits, first is its unified monitoring dashboard. Datadog offers a dynamic, fully customizable dashboard that consolidates performance metrics, logs, and traces across all systems and services. With real-time visualizations, teams can track KPIs, detect patterns, and gain instant insight into the health of applications and infrastructure. This provides centralized observability, enabling faster diagnostics and better collaboration across departments. Another key feature is the infrastructure monitoring. Datadog seamlessly integrates with over 600 platforms and tools, including AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, Docker, and more. It automatically collects system metrics such as CPU usage, memory, disk I/O, and network throughput. This offers deep infrastructure visibility across environments, helping teams identify resource bottlenecks and optimize performance. Another key feature is the application performance monitoring. Datadog's APM feature uses distributed tracing to monitor every request as it moves through your stack. You can drill down into specific services, view performance bottlenecks, and get service-level insights with latency distributions and request breakdowns. This accelerates debugging and performance tuning, enabling developers to fix slowdowns before they affect users. Another key feature is the log management and correlation. You can ingest logs from virtually any source and search them in real time using a powerful query language. Correlate log data with metrics and traces to investigate issues with precision. This reduces mean time to resolution by bringing relevant context into every investigation without switching tools. Another key feature is the proactive alerting and anomaly detection. You can set custom thresholds or let Datadog's machine learning algorithms detect outliers and anomalies automatically. Alerts can be delivered via email, Slack, PagerDuty, or other incident response tools. This helps you catch performance issues before they escalate and cause downtime or customer dissatisfaction. Another key feature is the synthetic monitoring and RUM. Simulate user interactions through synthetic tests and combine that with real user data from RUM to ensure your applications are fast and accessible. Monitor website load times, response codes, and user behavior by geography or device. This enhances user experience by allowing you to proactively identify and resolve front-end and back-end performance issues. So why is Datadog a great choice? Datadog stands out because it unifies observability across all layers of your technology stack, making it easier than ever to monitor, alert, troubleshoot, and optimize performance. Instead of switching between multiple tools, teams can work from one interface to manage infrastructure health, application responsiveness, and system security. Its powerful integrations, intelligent alerting, and automation capabilities help teams respond to incidents faster, minimize downtime, and improve deployment velocity. Datadog is not just for monitoring, it's for empowering teams to make data-driven decisions that lead to better software and happy customers. Datadog also fosters better collaboration between DevOps, developers, security engineers, and business teams by providing shared access to insights and dashboards. This promotes a culture of transparency, reliability, and continuous improvement across organizations. So basically, Datadog is more than just a monitoring tool. It's a complete observability solution that brings clarity to complex systems. With its seamless integration capabilities, advanced analytics, and real-time visualization, it helps teams anticipate problems, respond faster, and deliver seamless digital experiences. So whether you're aiming to optimize performance, reduce downtime, secure your environment, or simply gain better insight into your infrastructure, Datadog provides the tools to make it happen. So if you're ready to take your application monitoring and infrastructure management to the next level, Datadog is a tool worth investing in. That wraps up this quick 10-minute Datadog tutorial. You've learned how to set up monitoring, track performance metrics, visualize data with dashboards, and configure alerts to stay ahead of potential issues. If this guide helped you understand Datadog better, please give this video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials on DevOps tools, cloud platforms, monitoring solutions, and enterprise software. If you'd like a deeper dive into advanced features like APM tracing, log management, synthetic monitoring, or custom integrations, drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.